Is this how your day starts? Do you like what you see in the mirror? Are you on your way to a job that leaves you just over broke? Just to do a job that you hate? Winter is here and it's time to drive home. Now you're back home, getting ready to do it all over again tomorrow. What if you could change it all? What if you could start your day like that every day? I know what you could do. Introducing Builderall.
Imagine a world where you can access all the marketing tools you need to succeed in your business for just $1 a day. I know what you are thinking, that seems too good to be true. Well, for this exclusive launch period only, it really is true, and it really is that good. Let's be straight about this. There are some tools that are essential to your internet marketing toolbox. But here's the thing, they soon rack up in price. You need page builders, autoresponders, video makers, funnel builders, app creators, and that's just for starters. Soon you will realize that the tools you need for your business are starting to add up to hundreds of dollars per month, and those hundreds of dollars are going out of your PayPal account each and every month, and that's starting to eat into your profits massively. I have a solution where you can have every quality tool for you that will help you succeed in your business. And when I say quality, I mean quality. Introducing Builderall. But don't just take my word for it, take the advice of over 10,000 satisfied users in over 50 different countries around the world. Users that are loving Builderall, users that love to stick with Builderall. Once smart marketers like you start using Builderall, they find it so indispensable to their business, over 95% of them stay with us. But first, what do you get? Simple, everything you could ever need for the success of your business. You get 10,000 subscriber autoresponder. Just imagine how much you would normally pay for that mailing freedom. And the best bit is, it actually inboxes. A drag and drop site builder that is capable of building amazing and stunning responsive websites, just like the beautiful page that you are looking at now. That's right, this page was built in Builderall. That's what it's capable of. Not to mention a slick mobile app builder, an easy to edit video maker, a fast funnel builder, and so much more, plus a plethora of other tools essential to your business. Which means as soon as you get started, you'll be able to collect and manage more leads, send unlimited emails, build amazing websites, Android and iOS apps, blogs, sales pages, sales funnels, create videos, track SEO, and so much more for less than the price of one of these tools alone. Not only that, they'll even teach you how to use everything and guide you every step of the way with 24/7 support. So if you really care about your business, but you also really care about your wallet, Builderall is for you. The ultimate all-in-one platform of quality marketing tools essential for the success of your business, giving you complete marketing freedom for less than $1 a day. But that's only for this exclusive special offer period. This offer is strictly limited and the clock is already ticking. So don't miss out and get started right now. Sometimes you get what you pay for, but sometimes you get so much more. And Builderall is exactly that. It's so much more. So go ahead, blow away your expectations and get started with Builderall today.